Spinach is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and folate. It promotes eye health, supports bone health, boosts immunity, and helps regulate blood pressure. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. It also provides high-quality protein, vitamins D and B12, and selenium. Consuming salmon can lower the risk of heart disease, improve brain function, and support healthy skin. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They are also high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Eating blueberries regularly can improve cognitive function, support heart health, and aid in digestion. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, iron, and manganese. Incorporating quinoa into your diet can help control blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and support digestive health. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense food rich in protein, calcium, probiotics, and vitamins B12 and B2. It supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. Greek yogurt also helps build and repair tissues, supports bone health, and can aid in weight management. Thanks for watching.